Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like if you like the content, and comment and share if share this channel with your friends and family. Today we'll be learning about headstand, that is king of asanas. Yes guys, this is my favorite asana, so I do lot of variations in this asana, but if you're a beginner, please don't try all these things, and I'll let you know in the other videos, in future videos, how exactly you can release your hand and all these things. So today I'll be teaching how exactly you can do Shirsasana. That's it, okay? So Shirsasana helps in improving your concentration, it improves your stability, it improves your mind-body coordination. By the same time, it helps in boosting your confidence level as well. So guys, this asana is super beneficial for kids. If you're working on your memory part, try eating one brahmi leaf every day, which also helps in improving your memory part. By the same time, Shirsasana will help in improving your entire body balance. Now comes the limitations. So whoever is suffering from hypertension problem or cervical related issue or spine related issue, please avoid this asana. You're not allowed to do this asana because we have restriction for such health condition. So I hope benefits and limitations are clear to you. Then at last I'll make you understand when you can do all these variations and all. Okay. So now we'll try understanding like how to do the Shirsasana, and is there any preliminary practice which we have to do. Of course, yes guys, we have to loosen our spine and keep our arms little bit strong or strengthened by doing before doing this Shirsasana. So I'll be showing you few preliminary practices which will be helpful. You'll be standing in kneel down position. Try bending your spine without curving, only bending it. Land your palm down. You'll be reaching the baby position over here. Now we'll be doing cat breathing so that it helps in getting control over your spine. Okay. When you inhale, you'll be looking up at the sky or roof, wherever you're doing. And when you exhale, you'll be looking at your navel region. You'll have to uplift your spine. Try repeating this practice continuously. Do it for around 5 to 10 times if you are a beginner. Continue the practice. Good going. I just know the instructor language, guys. Please do support my work as well over here. Now, next asana will help in strengthening your arms, tightening your core muscles. You'll be landing your chest in between your palms and then lift up. You'll be looking front, guys. Your chin should touch the mat as well. So slowly lift up. Again land your chest down. Make sure your elbow is rubbing your body. Yeah. Continue this for 10 to 12 times. Helps in strengthening your arms, tightening your core muscles, getting control over your spine. Good going. Very good practice. So guys, next one is super relaxing pose for those who have back pain. I'm telling about only this one, not the Shirsasana. Okay. You'll be shifting your one hand from the below and land your cheek to the mat and place your elbow down, opposite hand elbow to the ground. Try maintaining here for 10 seconds. Do the same practice for other side as well. It will also help in relaxing your spinal cord. Each and every vertebrae will get a good workout in this particular practice. Good going. I have a Kannada version of this particular practice as well. Please do watch that and show your love and affection over there as well. Land your elbows down slowly. Interlock your fingers. Your hands will be slanting your fingers will be in a slanting way. Try landing your crown head in between your palms on the mat, not on your hands. Okay. Make your toe active. Slowly rise your both the knees up. Stay in Parvatasana or Adho Mukha Svanasana. On your elbow, you'll be standing on Parvatasana. Try walking closer to your forehead till your spine reaches straight line. Fold your one leg, and on other leg you'll be standing on your toe tip. Maintain here for 10 counts. Then again repeat the same practice for the other side as well. This is step-by-step instruction to do Shirsasana in a better way. Yeah. Other leg toe should be active, guys, and please do it with wall support. Okay. Wall support is nothing but like I'm doing it without support. You're just making your spine go lean to the wall. You're going to the closer to the wall and you'll be doing the practice. Now we'll have to, obviously guys, single leg is done. Now we'll be doing both the legs together. Practice it along with the wall. So you'll be shifting your both the legs up. That is, in Shirsasana you'll be making a variation of Pavanamuktasana. Yeah, fold your both the legs. Try maintaining there for 5 to 10 counts. It depends on your strength. Then either one by one or both together, you can just slowly rise your legs up. Make it a straight line. Push your leg as much back as possible until you reach the wall if you're doing with the support. And try maintaining there. Keep your core tight. Make sure your body weight is not landing on your arms. It should land on your crown head itself. And try maintaining there for 30 to 45 seconds is what suggested. So this was a video for Shirsasana. I'll be sharing the complementary asana as well. If you like my work, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I hope the content is helpful for you. Slowly land your legs down one by one. Go for Shashankasana. Shashankasana will help in relaxing your spinal cord. By the same time, it helps in reversing the blood rush also. I'll be sharing a video on how to release your hand in this Shirsasana with support and without support. Then we can do some variation of Shirsasana with Vrikshasana, Shirsasana with Garudasana. All these things we can do. We can play a lot in Shirsasana, guys. First, please learn Shirsasana well. Then we'll continue with all these things, okay? I hope the video was helpful. Please do subscribe, and if you have any requests, definitely you can ping me. I'll share the details where you can find me, how you can contact me in the description box. Please do support me, guys. Thank you so much. I hope the entire video was helpful. Kids, do this asana regularly, kids. Definitely you'll be like, this asana will become your favorite one. I can just promise that one. So thank you so much. See you all.